the Techipedia. Hit on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon, and you can enjoy weekly techie videos. Before we begin with the proceedings, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that we reach 1000 subscribers faster. And with that being said, it's me Debargo and I'm back from the Techipedia. Today in this video we'll be doing the full review of the Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus 2018. So first things first, we'll be taking out the contents from the box. Firstly, the phone. Now this phone looks quite premium and is quite heavy. The design looks quite similar to the Samsung Galaxy S9. The ratio is concurrently 18.5:9, 6 inches, and is having an infinite display just like the other bezel-less devices. The contains a quick start guide, micro Type-C cable as usual, and also a power brick which supports fast charging, 9V 1.6 amp, 5V 2.2 amp, and also has a basic earphones with inline microphone. So let's just boot up the device as it shows Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus powered by Android, and above we will be definitely seeing that notification light. So it's powered by Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, also with powered by 6GB of RAM, Mali 671 GPU. If you buy the 6GB RAM version, it will be of 64GB, 4GB RAM version, 32GB expandable up to 256GB. Priced at around 35,000, also containing Bixby and Corning Gorilla Glass. With the Super AMOLED display, it makes quite cool with the color contrast that it gives. It also waterproof and dust resistant. The battery will be having 33,500 mAh battery, and it also has the Samsung Pay feature, which is quite nice. So as you can see, just swipe up and you can get the previous app that you definitely used. It's obviously not out of the box. Definitely you could expect audio update maybe, and what else it has the fingerprint in the back, fingerprint sensor in the back, and it also does support the face recognition. And it's not a bad phone, I would say. It has a primary of 16 megapixel camera, 1.7 aperture, and with video 1080p at the 30 fps. Secondary camera is it has a dual camera at the front with 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel, basically a selfie concentrated camera. So concentrated, and what you can expect from this phone is that the device is looking pretty nice. It has glass on its back. The device looks quite good and sturdy on your hand, and it's quite amazing. But when it comes to the performance, I would say the performance is quite good. When it comes to heavy gaming, it is quite standard, and if you want to purchase this device, definitely you'll be having a go on it. But should you buy this device, I would say at this price point there are many devices out there which will be, especially the OnePlus, which will be getting up better specifications out there. Basically Samsung, I won't suggest this device to go for at this price point. I hope you like this video. Peace out.